Um, this is a July monthly reading for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Welcome to JP Tarot. Right now, I'm going to do the monthly reading for air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, if you have your sun, moon, rising signs with um, placement of Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius in your chart, then this reading is for you. If you have your Sun, Moon, Rising signs as Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, this reading is for you. So I'm going to deal with your reading right now. This is not a three-card reading. Okay, this is a detailed one. So you are getting your past, present, future interlinked over here with two clarification card and outcome card. Let's get into the reading. Okay, so the past few months you are feeling hurt. Okay, you got a heartbreak, and right now you have in the present, though you have in the past couple of years or month you were having this heartbreak like situation, but still in the present you are happy, you are successful. Okay, you are feeling successful. Okay, and because you are sensing that you will end this separation with your partner, you are having a reconciliation in your future. That's why you are feeling successful despite that heartbreak, because that heartbreak is going to end. Okay, so due to that heartbreak you were not manifesting that relationship or not putting it, you were manifesting but not putting in effort in this relationship. But since you are having this stability, successful like situation, you are feeling this success in this relationship, you want you want this clarity in this situation in order to end this separation. Okay, and you are expecting, so in the July month, air signs, you are gonna feel successful despite that heartbreak, because you are sensing that your separation is going to be ended and you will end this separation. You are going to reconcile with your person, though you are not putting in effort. You are manifesting but not putting in effort, but you want clarity and you are expecting a lot in this relationship. So in the entire July month you are gonna expect from your person that they will give you some success. They are not putting in effort, you are feeling that they should put in effort, they should manifest this relationship and give you this clarity to end this separation in the future. Despite this heartbreak you are feeling successful, you, because you are sensing that you're this, and you are not putting in effort because you know your partner needs to do so. Might be you are sensing that your partner is not putting in effort, that's why you are not putting in effort, and you are thinking that your partner should give in effort and give this clarity to end this separation. You are expecting this success. Okay, you are feeling successful but you are expecting that this success will, you are feeling successful because you are thinking about your future, but at present you are just expecting, but you want this success by ending this separation and having this clarity. Okay, so entire month you are gonna expect from your partner, or your partner is going to expect from you to put in effort in this relationship and give them clarity to end this separation and give this relationship a success. You are needed to not just expect but make this relationship a success by reversing this energy, by putting in effort in this relationship to end this separation, by making this clarity and ending this separation. Okay, you will have to make clarity, or your person needs to give you clarity in order to end this separation and though there are few good cards, that means in the near future you can get that. Okay, but right now, as I'm here to tell you the monthly energy, so you will be expecting in the entire month. Okay, you are going to expect from your partner entire month that they will go give you some clarity and put in effort in this relationship towards reconciliation. Okay, that's all for you, air signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. You are advised to see the whole series. I'm going to do a 6-month reading for the air signs in one go, so you will get all the videos back to back, but that will need a 10 to 15 days gap, because I will be uploading some other science reading also. So you will get, if you will come back a few days back to this reading, you will get the link of that reading also. Okay, so you will get that reading. I will advise to see all the videos to have a clarity and insight into your situation, so you can avoid past mistakes and take advantage of future opportunities on your way. So you will get more clarity if you will watch all those videos. Okay, because this reading is focused on only air signs. Okay, that's all for you. If you are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in your sun, moon, rising, even in the Venus, since it is a planet of love, you will get your reading is gonna this reading is gonna resonate with you. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future reading. That's all for you. Thank you. Love and luck. Okay, thank you.